You wanna go ahead? Hey y'all, hey, it's Amia, Renee. Welcome to my channel. We are at the mall. I'm so excited. I gotta live in this moment because my man does not like going to the mall. So I'm trying to hurry up and run through a couple of stores. I think these are kind of cute.
Tell me what you want, babe. I'll do whatever it takes. I'll make you my favorite. Tell me what you want now. I will give it somehow. I will be the best, babe. I wanna have fun with you tonight. I wanna have fun with you tonight.
I think they got a bigger size over there. I'm gonna run over there and see if they have the bigger ones because I like the pants. I just can't button them. So I found some plain, just black denim pants at full cut that I've been looking for. Size 44, but I like these. That's about it from Zara.
Normally I'm quick to switch up my playlist. I might unpack my bag and don't say shit. I got what it takes to say this. I got all the plays and I played it out like this. I wanted to see this. Honest to make it. I'll trade it all for it's just.
Hey y'all, hey, it's Amia, Renee. Welcome to my channel. Hopefully I'm not shaking too much because I'm driving. Today is Monday, November the 7th. Vote, get out and vote if you didn't vote already. Also, it's crazy hot. It's, like I said, November the 7th and it's 75 degrees outside. So freaking hot. A little scary because global warming is real. As much as I love the heat in summertime, it's not supposed to be this hot in November. But anyway, I'm headed to my appointment. I'm getting my braces today. So, my little teeth in the back. In 18 months, it should be up front. So, I didn't bring y'all along with the consultations and everything that I made for the orthodontist because it was really nothing to show. For orthodontist, he just assessed my teeth, examined them, and spoke with the financial person, and they told me how much my insurance, how much I would have to pay out of pocket. That's all that really happened. And what made me choose this place, it was clean. The orthodontist was really nice. You'll be surprised at how many people are not nice when they kind of need people, or they do need patients for their practice. They still kind of mean, like, I'm not giving you my money, you nasty. And then they did have late hours. That was one of my biggest concerns because I don't like to have to leave work early or use my vacation time to go to doctor's appointments. But today I had to go in a little earlier because it's going to take this roughly around 2 hours for them to install the braces. I did have partial braces previously, but it was only partial. It was, I don't even know, probably like 10 on the top of my on my top teeth. So I never had full braces. So it's going to be an experience. Then also he said the whole process will take at least up to 18 months, which is a year and a half, which I'm fine with. I knew it was going to take some time. Didn't know how long, but I knew it was going to be a fast process. And y'all see my little hair? I'm trying to have so much fun with this straight hair because tomorrow when I go to work, I might just put it in one ponytail. When they running around working and hot, my hair going to puff right up. So try to little something a little cute. So I'm gonna give you a close-up of my mouth. I'm gonna park my car so you can see. but you're really not gonna be able to tell too much because my missing tooth is the main reason why I'm getting it. Of course, I do have I think it's an overbite. When I close my mouth, my teeth don't line up. My top teeth go over top of my bottom teeth. Told him I do not want my gap to be closed. I want my gap, save as much as my gap as possible. He said, well, good, because he couldn't close it anyway. Which I was like, well, that's weird. I thought braces could close the gap, but it's fine because I don't want my gap to be closed anyway. But they would have to borrow some space from it, which is okay. But as long as it's not completely closed, because I don't know, I wouldn't like it. Yeah, I would not like that. I know years ago, before I even knew what the process of veneers were, I heard about them and I was like, oh, they make your teeth nice and straight. I want some porcelain veneers because I always wanted all my teeth to be the same length. Like the side teeth might be a little shorter. I wanted all my teeth. What the fuck? I'm sorry. Car breaking in front of me. I wanted all my teeth to be the same length. I still wanted my gap. But of course, fast forward to 15 years later, everybody on TV got veneers, and it's like, oh, everybody got the same mouth, the same big old teeth. Yeah, I would not want my gap to be closed because it's a part of me. It makes me me, uniquely me, and I don't want to look like everybody else in the mouth. All right, y'all, let me focus, and I'll show y'all close up when I get to the office. Okay, so I'm here at the orthodontist, getting ready to go in. Let me give you a close-up of these teeth. It's like a close-up of my teeth. So I haven't this smile in over a year. Also, I wanted to get my teeth whitening, but I said I'm not going to do that until after. This is before I even consider getting braces. Right now, I knew I was going to get some, so I'm like, you know, I'm not even going to waste my money on getting my teeth whitening, and I'm eventually put braces on top of them. So I was going to wait, and I'm glad I did, because that would have been a waste of my money. Take my little stress ball. I don't know where I got this from, but I used to take this in my other appointments with me at the orthodontist, just in case I need to squeeze something, because it is a little nerve-wracking. And I got my earphones with me because I like to keep my earphones in my ear so I won't have to hear too much of the tools. I don't like hearing that. I don't know. Just make me feel nervous, like, oh gosh, what they about to do to me now. That's pretty much it for today. I think I'm gonna run to a couple of stores. I have not had my almond oil, sweet almond oil for under my eye for over a week, and it's killing me. I love almond oil to put under my eye for my dark circles and just to hydrate under my eye. It don't look too bad right now, but it's been killing me. I'm like, where's my oil? I need my oil. And then I woke up this morning to this flaky forehead. I'm like, I don't even have dandruff, so where's this coming from? Some guy coming with this big crazy looking dog. It's a business park. Where is he coming from with a dog? Oh yeah, he looked good and crazy. So I'm back, y'all, with partial braces at the top. See, they didn't tell me this. I know I would have remembered, but it makes sense. So I just had the top. I have an overbite. Like I said, when I smile, my top teeth go over my bottom. And if I was to get bottom braces now, it would just knock them off. So for a couple months, I'm going to have to keep just the top braces until my overbite gets better. Then they'll put the bottom on. And also, my teeth are going to be sore for a couple days. And when I come back my next visit, they're going to put a bracket on my tooth at the back so they can twist it. Because my tooth that's in the back, it's behind all my teeth and it's twisted around, so they gotta twist it back the correct way and then move it in the right position. It don't hurt right now, and I'm familiar with what I can and can't eat from last time, which is hard foods like apples. If you do eat apples, you gotta cut them. You can't bite into them. Chew with your back teeth, not your front teeth. You can't eat corn on the cob. Gotta eat regular corn off the carb. I am not a real big candy person. I love sweets, more so like ice cream and candy bars, but not sticky candies. So no sticky candies like taffy or I can't even think of sticky candies. I don't even eat that stuff. What, like Laffy Taffy or whatever people eat, you can't eat that. Mike and Ike's and all those candies, which is fine because like I said, I'm not a real big sweets person. Only other thing is brushing your teeth. It's going to be a little more difficult. You just got to be on top of that. And I learned from my last situation with my braces, and I had so many freaking cavities when I took them off because whatever. So I got to really take my time and not rush and all of that. That is pretty much it. So partial braces and top. I chose bubblegum pink for my little bands. I will remind them because they didn't put anything in between my gap to prevent it from closing. It's not going to close completely today, so it's fine. But I will remind them every time I go. I don't want this gap closed. I probably remind them so much I might get on their nerves. I don't care. Don't close my gap.
Babe, I'll do whatever it takes. I'll make you my favorite. Tell me what you want now. I will give it somehow. I will be the best, babe. I wanna have fun with you.
Made it back in the house from running around. I did stop at the vitamin shop. I got my sweet almond oil under my eyes. I've really been missing this. Transfer it into my dropper. My eyes are gonna be greasy tonight. But to wrap my hair up, well, I put 4 flexi rods in my hair. I thought I had jumbo flexi rods, but apparently I don't. I don't know what happened to those. Probably my sister got it or something, mother. So I put 4 of those in my head, put a little oil on my hair, and wrapped it up. It's Monday Night Football. I don't watch football, but my man did, so we eating some finger foods. The stuff we got from Trader Joe's. It was the tempura shrimp and some mozzarella sticks and something else. We're gonna put that in the oven. Just have some finger foods tonight and find something on TV. I did just get a package from Zara and some pants from Amazon. I might try it on real quick and show y'all. You know, I probably won't show y'all because I need to do a new winter haul because I brought so much stuff. And I've been doing bad with these hauls. I was supposed to do the summer haul and I never did that. Let me just try this on and show y'all how it looks. Because if I do a haul, I guess it'll be in the haul still too. Let me show y'all real quick. The top is from Zara and the bottom is from Amazon. Some cargo army pants. Let me see. It did say the top was cut small. I'm gonna have to look at it in my mirror downstairs to see if it's too small, but I guess I kind of like it. I don't know. This whole outfit going back if I don't like it. All right, let me go see in another mirror. Hey y'all, today is Friday. It's a gloomy, rainy, nasty day. Just got off work. I'm tired. My mouth is hurting. As y'all know, I got my braces Monday. Wait a minute. Hello. Picking up some Chinese food. I've been working out all week, getting back into my routine, but today it was so cold. I was cold all day long at work. I was saying my teeth hurt. I have wax on my teeth. If you ever had braces, or if you don't know, sometimes the wires will cut your gums, so they give you some wax to put on the braces to help with that. So this is my first week and I've been having cuts all in my mouth. Still a little sensitive, well, a lot sensitive. They told me the first 2-3 days I might be sensitive and watch what I eat soft foods. It's Friday and now my teeth are still hurting. I want to say yesterday and today, like, it still hurt. I had some blueberries for breakfast and I barely could chew the blueberries. I'm just going through with my little braces. So I'm glad I didn't get the top and bottom at the same time because I cannot even imagine having both. I probably would have lost about 5 pounds this week because it's taking me a long time to chew and I gotta watch what I eat. But I'm not complaining because I am happy that I'm finally getting my back teeth put in the right place. I love to laugh smile. And if something is funny, I will be like, ah, like, you know how the people be doing all that with your mouth open, ah. So since I have my little missing tooth over here, a tooth in the back, I'm kind of self-conscious about it. So if I catch myself laughing too hard, I close my mouth. So we got some shrimp, egg foo young, shrimp toast, and half and half. For those who might not know what a half and half is, Arnold Palmer for some people, or just lemonade and iced tea. We have shrimp, egg foo young patties, gravy, white rice, and my shrimp toast. Just took a bite off of one.
I wanna have fun with you tonight.
Might not look like much, but it's so good.